How good is this presentation, guys? A warm welcome from the PPT guy. We will start with a new tutorial today to create this presentation of Burger King Whopper. In the first slide, insert the Burger King logo. Duplicate the slide and reduce the logo size to fit it in a corner. Insert a rectangle and cover the entire slide. Change its color to the ones in the brand kit and send it to backwards. The Burger King brand kit is available for download online. Insert a text. Change the font to Flame, which is the official typography of Burger King. Duplicate the text and place it below the previous text. Next, duplicate the second slide and reduce the size of all its contents. We'll give a cinematic transition later. Move all content out of the slide. Insert a sidewalk billboard image. Take the measurement of the ad space using the grid and rulers feature in PowerPoint. Divide the region horizontally into 4 regions. Insert the previous slide content into one region and fit it in there. Insert a rectangle into the other region. Go to Format Shape, remove the outline, and change the shape color to white. Insert the image of a Mexican Chicken Whopper, which I have taken it from the official website of Burger King, and adjust it using the crop feature in the remaining space. Duplicate this slide twice. On the first duplicate slide, remove everything except logo and the burger image. Add name of the burger and a little description to make it appear good. On the second duplicate slide, just change the copy line we had mentioned. Finally, on the last slide, delete everything and increase the logo size and place it in the center. Now, we have all the slides ready. We'll add some animations to the second slide. Add line motion animation. Create After Effect of the animation to move the text element out of frame. Add the same animation to move the second element into the frame. Change to effect settings to act one after the other. Select all the slides and add morph transition. Now, our presentation is ready. What shall I do next? Comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the PPT Guy.